Serena to eat her chicken. I said, you like fried chicken so much? She said, that's not fried chicken, that's wings.
Serena, it's fried chicken.
No, it's not. It's wings.
Chicken wings. The Chinos,
Fried chicken wings.
the Chinos call it wings, but it's fried chicken. I hate him. He's out of control. Is he crazy or what?
Yo,
Yes.
nah, cause she was dead.
Why are you so extra?
Yo, ma, today this girl, I was in for the bathroom, and this girl was waiting with me. I think she was pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yo, I swear she had a belly. I swear. I didn't want to ask her because you know how some people like they look pregnant, but it's like a tumor or something, or it's like something's wrong with them. I swear that girl was pregnant.
Oh my god, I
She
don't.
was pregnant. I don't care what tell me. She was pregnant.
What happened with the boy in school? Tell me the story about the boy in school and how the teacher was telling him. The teacher was telling him that he not to play no more.
You did your homework?
I gotta finish a little bit, and that's it. I'm done. Oh, let me tell you about the boy who was trying to talk to me. So he said, "You single?" And I said, "No." He said, "F you then."
Yo, that's what happens when you go to school in the Bronx.
So today, today he told me that he had a test in next class, right, in geometry. So I was like, "Oh, I have a test too." I said, "You take honors?" He said, "Yeah, I take honors everything. Like everything is honors." So I said, "Everything?" Ma, this boy be high every day in school. Like he smoke every day. He don't be doing none of his homework. But he got honors. So I said, "For real, you got honors everything?" He said, "Yeah, even lunch."
Yo!
He said he got honors lunch.
He get the extra well done burger.
He got extra cookies.
Get the honors lunch.
Maya, wash your hands.
Do you understand the wing part now?
Yo, but babe.
What?
Do you understand the wing
You had
part?
to
It's
see
like
her
regular
face.
wings.
She said.
She
I
was
said, I thought
serious.
you like fried. She said, that's not fried chicken. That's wings. Mad serious. Like she was like trying to prove me wrong.
Serena, do you understand it now?
No.
No, you're
Man.
still not. It's not. Wait,
That
why
don't
is
even
the
look like
alarm
fried
going off now? Do you hear it?
Time to get up, y'all. School.
It been going
Yo.
on. 7 o'clock at night.
No wonder why the girls woke up late today. Because you put it for 6:30
Somebody
at
set
night.
the alarm.
I told you.
Somebody.
I didn't hear it.
Somebody.
Ugh.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
always building something. I just built a whole living
Shotgun
room
built our
yesterday.
house.
Talking about
Shot's
building.
gonna build our house.
This is what I gotta do to make sure he builds it. Because if not, he won't build it. Let me show y'all what I have to do. If I don't take it out the box and leave it out messy like that, he will not build it. Not build it. Look at this. If I leave it in the box in the corner, he leaves it alone. This is the only way he'll touch it because he don't like the mess.